What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So this morning we're starting off the day
on the adventures of Jimmy and Guy.
A parts run, because no build is complete without 13 runs to the bloody parts store.
Dude, the last 20% of builds, you will be at the parts store 8 times a day. Until that thing
for one fitting. And then, oh, you go back, oh shit, we need one more.
One hose, oh shit.
And it's like 15-minute round trip. But, it's part of the process, right? We're in the big truck. We're gonna run over some shit. Dyno day.
Dyno day.
You better.
And then tomorrow is Gridlife.
Yeah. No worries.
You've been stressed to get your car prepped or what?
Oh dude, it's been stressful. My car.
You get the VIP treatment.
Arrive and drive, baby. Woo-wee. No, we've got that good setup for me, thankfully. But yeah, so the car that I am driving, you guys would have already seen because this is not going to come out till later. So yeah, Max Kimlin, who is a friend of Jimmy's and all of ours from Drift Week, he had the Corvette that I drove at wherever we're MSR, the Harlequin one with a LS something rather in it. What do you call it?
No.
Yeah, so Max, Jimmy said, oh, Max has a spare car, so hit him up. So we did. And he's got
the fucking man.
So Max, it was his birthday, and he's not even coming, but he still has offered me, or letting me use his car, which is a, what we would call a 180 hatch, or S13. These guys call it S13.
S13.
With an LS in it. I don't know, LS what, 2?
The goddamn LS. LS3.
LS3.
It's the same motor in my car.
Yeah,
it actually had
a blower.
A blower on it, and Max said it was too much.
Yeah.
So like. And
it's too much for me, you know. I can't really handle those big boy
bald eagles.
All those bald eagles flying out of that thing. So yeah, we have a matte black 180 whatever.
Oh, you're getting the proper American experience, baby.
Yeah, it's sick. So I'm really excited to drive that. I think it's got wise fab.
No problem.
And it should be a good should be a good car. We're gonna crash.
Video. Dun dun dun.
We're gonna crash into him, because that seems to be the cool thing to do these days.
Yeah. Right off the list.
Alright, let's get to the parts store and grab everything we need. Woo-wee. We're just grabbing like things we think we might need as well. Oh, and the bros over here finding some bolts. Alright, so we got everything bar one belt, but the one belt that we don't need, we were just getting it as a spare. I think we've got everything to make today work, and yeah, kind of hope that the car plays ball. What are you doing in here, Spoon? Mounting the ECU?
You tell me.
Oh, she's up there. Oh, right there. Look at that. Link on that shit. Woo.
I got a better shot than the other side.
Yeah, I'll sort that out. But yeah, so this runs a Link Extreme. Because, well,
it's extremely cool.
Extremely cool. Oh, way to go, Dad.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Not bad.
Spoon nose. Look at that. Fabbed up a little plate. Get it. Austin's in here doing Austin things.
Look at you.
Behind the scenes. Woohoo! Ain't no RB30, but oh wow. Lupin's in here doing Lupin things. Oh, downward dog. Oh, bit of a stretch on the leg. And Stevie's doing Stevie things.
Oh yeah.
He's just doing his stretches for the morning. Hey bud.
What's up, bud?
Oh, look at him. So Trevor's just sorting out the shifter boot, just so it's covered, because there was a bit of heat coming through there. Spoon's got the radiator out, because it needs another line for it. So we took out the expansion tank, and we're just doing a few little bits to that, and then Brian needs to go to fucking work. Go earn your day off tomorrow, you fucker. Yeah, Jimmy's sorting out a bit of wiring of some sort. Been a bit of wiring management down here, just kind of P-clamping it all off to the side and all of that. Look at that, I like this.
Not bad for sure.
Yeah, Spoon's gonna bird shit up some bungs on here, and where we go. So we've been going hard on the car all morning for the last maybe 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours. And he's just driven it out the door and everything is great.
Ready? I'm waiting for you, baby. Let's go. We got a gosh darn V8 in this thing now.
It looks so good too.
Yeah, no, everything's up front.
Well done, boys.
It's like more, it looks like less bullshit than before too at the same time, doesn't it? I don't feel the steering shaft either, which is good.
Yeah?
That's
Give it
good.
a nice
That's good.
but-
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah,
fuck.
this is impressive as fuck. Like,
Dom turned up.
I mean, like,
Last time he was here, we were just putting the engine in.
no, I'm saying, like, I saw it like last week.
He
like,
put it in and out a few times.
Yeah.
So he
this wasn't here. None of this was here at all. Like,
Lines, nothing. It's all. See how there's a million little lines?
that's what I'm saying. Like,
takes forever.
yeah, I know. Yeah. Fucking cable management and shit. Like, what the fuck? Nah, y'all went.
And we still got a little cleaning up to do
definitely.
before we go to the track. With the rain.
Still though, like, but you know, pat yourself on the fucking back for what you've been able to get accomplished so far. You know what I'm saying? Seriously, this is sick.
The boys are here for it. Yeah. So now it's time for everyone to roll out. We're all off to the dyno. So we'll grab a car. Whoo-wee. This thing looks sick outside. So we're here at Derek's shop. The dyno guy, big LS tuner. Everybody's come to watch because nice rig, man.
You don't got those in back home. You drive all around New Zealand with that thing.
Yeah,
The whole thing.
living the bitch. Holy! Can you even see over the steering wheel?
Check it out. That's the point. You don't.
Look at that. What's up with the rear guard there?
What's that?
That hole that I can see.
That's that. They put chemicals on the road.
They come like that.
Oh, the factory? Factory option?
Just from old age. Blue gut though.
Oh, straight out of the 80s. What a rig. Goodness me.
You wouldn't drive one of these?
What a honey.
You
No,
No? Really? Not your speed.
no. I guess a second class ride is the same as better than a first class walk. So.
You should see what's under the hood. You see me blow by you over there.
Oh, absolutely. What, when I was parked on the side of the road? Yeah, and you went flying. I don't know where I was going.
You want to know what it's like growing up in America in the 90s? Come take a seat.
Yeah.
One stepdad had one of these.
Stepdad. Alright. Let's make some noises. So we're sitting here front and center. Ready to go. Everyone's had their guesses. See how much this thing makes. We're done. Oh shit. Hey, Dom got the highest. 675.
I was about 100 off.
Yeah. And now it is time to head back to the shop and load up for the weekend because it's getting late and we have to leave very early in the morning. 676 horsepower. Ain't no RB, but I'll let him off. It's pretty sick. We've got a big, well, we've got like, you know, a good couple hours to go doing, the tyres are done, which is good, but we have like, yeah, all the spares and shit to clean up, pack up the tools and kind of load everything, and then we can leave. I think we're leaving about 5:30, 6 in the morning, so that'll be fun. We've got a lot going on. Trevor is loading up the trailer and parts and stuff on the truck. Obviously this weekend we're only taking a single car trailer because unfortunately we lost the 13 this week. So I only need to take one car, and Darren's here giving the FD a wash because Jimmy's going to take that, and then he's going to wash the E36 once he's done there, so that it's fresh, ready to go for the morning. Yeah, everyone's getting after it. Everyone's just, we're all tired, but we just got to push through, and I'm going to leave this video here, guys. Thanks heaps. Hope you guys are enjoying all the videos, really. Like, it's been a crazy trip so far, and this weekend is just going to be wild. So yeah, really excited to drive. I think I told you guys earlier that we're driving Max's S13, so yeah, really appreciative of him, like absolute legend. So I'll get Leo to chuck his Instagram handle here. Please yeah, follow him, Max Kimlin. Such a good dude and absolute legend. He's not even going to be there, and he's just letting me drive his car, so yeah, super stoked. Jimmy's got me some tires and stuff, so I really appreciate that. And yeah, it's time to finish off loading up, and then we'll get home and try and have some sleep before our 5:30ish start. So yeah, thanks heaps, guys. Really appreciate it. We'll see you all in the next one.